Hello lovers of Bubu Kids Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your steam pot and use it to steam pot your wigs. So always remember to use your steam pot with water, as this is going to protect your hair from heat damage. It's very important. So here I'm just getting rid of the packaging and all the rest. So yeah, let's get into it. Your steam pot comes with a water bottle which you're going to fill with very clean water. Don't be scared to make a mess. So after filling your steam pot with water, there's a compartment on your steam pot you're going to gently slide down and remove. Then you're going to open and use your water bottle to fill water into the compartment. So I'm just filling and checking the level. There are levels, so fill according to the levels you find on the little compartment. So after doing that, you're going to close the compartment and then you're going to close it well so you avoid any leakage. And then you're going to gently slide back the compartment into the steam pot, as you can see. So after doing that, you're going to plug it in and then turn on. So after turning on, your steam pot is ready to use. So this is just a test. Trust me, the steam pot is actually very heavy compared to a regular straightener, but eventually with time you get used to it. So now let's get into work. So I'm just sectioning my hair and then steam potting. So you're going to use a heat protector so you don't damage your hair. So we are done. You're going to style your wig, and I guess that's it. So here I'm just trying to style the wig. So guys, I guess we are done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, turn on the notification so you'll be updated when I post more tutorials. Bye bye.